First we are going to the apps, then update the app list and type the app name. In here, BI multi invoice payment customer and just enter, and you'll see the module. When you try to install, you will get error. So you will see what the error. There is the field multiple invoice payment visa to the model with the unknown currency field. So we need to define the currency field to fix that. So we are going back to our VS Code. In here we need to first define the currency. So we are going to take many currency ID equal to field.many2, and the co-model name is currency. And we are going to take the string company currency, and we are going to define the function default equal to lambda self.env user company ID. Mean we are defining the default company currency ID to that field, the company currency ID. And after that, we are going to call that field inside our monetary fields. Here the amount field is monetary, so here we have to call default the currency field equal to company currency ID. After that, refresh the tab and go back to apps module and take the module name and activate the module, and the module is installed. And now you can see, go to accounting, and inside the customers you will see the multi invoice payment module is successfully installed. This is how we can fix the currency field issue in Odoo17.